What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about the 4Runner. I'm about to replace the door lights. Let me show you what they are, what they look like. Right here, these two little lights right there. I'm going to replace that one on the driver's side, and it's got another one on the passenger side. I will be replacing those two lights for something a lot better, and let me show you what they are. I have them right here on the table. They are called shadow lights. I never seen anything like this before. Well, I'll take that back. I have something similar to that on my GMC. It's like a logo. It glows. It's like a little projector, and the logo shines on the ground. This one here is gonna be the same thing. It's gonna have like a little 4Runner on, like over some bumps or hills or something like that. So let me unbox this so you can see what they are. Okay, two of them. Instructions. Simple. And what else? We have a little tiny screwdriver here to pop them out. What else? Let's see. Let's open these up. See, as you can see that right there, it has like a small projector there. It's supposed to be a really simple swap. So have one right there, and the other one right here. Okay, so let's try them out. Let's go to the truck. I'm going to use my prying tools to pop them out. I don't think I'm going to use this. I'm just going to use this one here. That's what I used last time when I replaced the light bulb in there for an LED. So let's do it. Okay, so let's take this one here first. I'm gonna pop this one out. Okay, I'm gonna disconnect it from here. Okay, and it's as simple as this. Okay, that's it, guys. So it was just replaced. I just replaced that with this, and as you can see, it's on. You can barely see it right there. You can see the shadow. You can see the actual 4Runner there on the floor. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side, and then I will be showing you what this looks at night when it's really dark. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, it's already dark outside. I'm gonna show you how those lights look like. The 4Runner is on, and I want to give you a quick view of those lights. There they are. It's like a small projector, if you can see that here on my hand. It's really cool. I'm gonna go around the other side so you guys can see it. You guys let me know what you think about those. About 18 inches long, 12 to 15 inches tall. That adds a little bit of character to the runner, definitely. So that was the little update, the little mod I did to the runner today. Let me know what you guys think about those lights, and if you have any comments, just put them down on the section down below. And again, thanks for watching my videos, and thanks for subscribing to my channel. There's gonna be more coming on this 4Runner. Soon I'm gonna start working on the I'm gonna install a set of rock lights on this. So stay tuned. Thanks. See you on the next one.